Hi guys, and welcome back to another Shaz Tech video. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S10's ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Last week a video surfaced on the internet of someone using a 3D printed fingerprint to bypass the Galaxy S10's ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. As soon as this video went viral, Samsung released an emergency security update to improve the stabilization of the sensor. Now, with all biometric security preferences, they are not guaranteed to be foolproof, especially when you have a technology that is only 1 year old. What do you guys think of this, and was it right? However, not many people will actually go towards the effort of scanning a fingerprint in 3D and printing it off. It's costly and not wise. Thankfully, Samsung issued the update swiftly and can be found in the Galaxy members section, not in the settings. Do you still have doubts about this method, or think that the lengths gone to replicate the fingerprint will make it difficult for anyone to bypass? Let me know in the comment section below. I've been Shaz Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Consider subscribing and liking for more daily tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.